How to stream Kick on your mobile phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, head over to any of your web application and go on to kick.com. Then get logged into your Kick account. From here, tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Then tap onto settings option at the third menu. Then again, tap onto stream URL and key. And at this page, you will see your stream URL and your stream key. Make sure you copy it, then tap on Create Restream Account. It will land you onto another page. From here, get logged into your stream account again. And as you get logged into your account, it will ask you for your channel URL and your stream key. Make sure you copy and paste all this exact key that you saw on your previous account. And as you do so, just tap on to Go Live option, and from there you can go live on Kick with your phone. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.